In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to n8n. By the end, you'll have your Zoho CRM account securely linked to n8n, so you can start automating tasks like creating leads, updating records, or fetching data from your CRM. First, go to n8n.io and open your n8n workspace. You can use n8n Cloud or your own self-hosted instance. The steps are the same. From a new blank workflow, you'll see a prompt inviting you to add your first node. Click Add First Step to open the node selector. This is where you'll choose the app you want to work with. In the search bar, type Zoho CRM and select the Zoho CRM node. This adds the node to your canvas and opens its configuration panel on the right. Next, choose what you want this node to do by selecting an action. Actions are the operations the node can perform, such as creating or updating a record, searching for leads, or retrieving modules. Pick the action that matches your goal. You can always change it later if needed. Now it's time to connect your Zoho account. In the node panel, find the credential to connect with field and open the drop-down. If you haven't connected Zoho before, you'll need a new credential. Click Create New Credential. This opens a credential window where n8n prepares the connection for you. When you're ready, click Connect My Account. n8n will redirect you to Zoho's authorization page. If prompted, sign into your Zoho account and review the access request. Approve the connection so n8n can communicate with your CRM securely. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the authorization window can open. If you use multiple Zoho organizations, make sure the correct one is selected during authorization so your data syncs with the right account. Once the connection is authorized, you'll return to n8n. Click Save to store the credential. Your Zoho CRM node is now linked and ready to use. From here, you can fine-tune the node by setting any required fields for the action you selected, such as choosing the module, mapping fields, or adding filters. Keeping field names consistent with your CRM setup will help avoid errors and ensure your automation runs smoothly. That's it. You went to n8n, added your first node, chose Zoho CRM, selected an action, opened the credentials drop-down, created a new credential, connected your account, and saved it. You're now set up to build workflows that interact with your Zoho CRM data in a reliable, secure way.